Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I will show you how you can transfer money from your crypto account to your invest account or even your spending balance on Trading 212. So let's get right into it. So first off, what you would need to do is just go to your portfolio, for example, or any place where you can go to the transfer money menu. So for example, here I will just tap on main pot, and then here I will tap on move cash. Now right here you would be able to select from where you would like to transfer cash onto your main or spending pot. So for example, let's say that we want to transfer money from our crypto account to our main pot right here, which is on our invest account. So on the upper balance we would just tap on this and then go ahead and find the crypto section. So as you can see, it's right here, the last one, and here you would be able to see the balance that you have on your crypto account. So as a sender account, I just select my crypto account, and then as a recipient account, you can see that your invest account is selected and your euro balance. So you can also select it to your spending pot, which would allow you to instantly use that money via your Trading 212 card, but for this example I will just leave it as it is. And now let's go ahead and input the amount that we would like to transfer. I will just click on the max amount and then tap on move. And there we go. So as you can see in the quick description right here, we moved this amount of funds from our crypto account to our main pot on our invest account. But essentially guys, that's how you transfer money from your crypto account to your stocks account in the Trading 212 app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.